So let me just jump right into it and thank Eayon Hair for sponsoring this video. And in the package I received these goodies. So you have 2 alligator clips, a crochet needle, rat tail comb to do your parting, and a 2-in-1 edge brush for the baby hair. This is 5 packs of Kinky straight human crochet hair, and it's in the color natural black, and the grams for it is between 115 to the 120, and that is the density. So I'm gonna be using a closure, and the closure is in jet black, and the crochet here is in 1B, which that is natural black. So I'm gonna go ahead and dye jet black. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I counted 52 strands for each pack, so I will round that out to 260. So I started by braiding my hair, but I did it off camera, you know, and I also parted out my perimeter. So right now I'm applying my moisturizer and oil to keep the scalp and hair protected, because you don't want the hair to be dry. Now everything is matching from my natural hair to the extensions, and I'm using a 4x4 closure. And what I'm gonna be doing right now is applying some makeup foundation on the lace. This cane row right here is the key for pulling it down, because once I find this, I'll be able to take down the crochet here easy. And I'm gonna say your braid pattern is very important. Like, make sure it's not too tight, like depending on how long you want the hairstyle to last for. Now I'm using an elastic band to hold the closure down, so when I'm sewing it, it doesn't move all over the place. Cutting off the extra lace that is not needed. And now that everything is in line, I can go ahead and sew down the closure. And I'm gonna be using 2 needles, so 1 for each side until they meet together. Now that they both meet, I'm gonna be cutting off the thread and securing the knots. So this is 1 pack right here, and with the crochet here, in the middle you have the thread, and at the ends you have the extensions. So that's how you get that advantage of it being lightweight, durable, reusable, and flexible. You understand me? In the back I used 3 strands, and I use it only for the first row, because I want when I'm wearing the hair down, it's giving that full look instead of crocheting 1 strand. You understand? So don't judge me. So guys, I'm not gonna be talking throughout the whole video. So what I'm gonna be doing from now on, just popping up whenever it's necessary to get my point across, because the flow I beat my body, hear me? How to use the crochet needle, you're gonna push the needle through the cane row and hook the thread part of the crochet here, then close the latch, then pull it through. After you pull it through, you open it, then pull through the hair. Then what I will do, once I loop the hair, I will take the 2 ends and pull it till I hear the sound like tick. From I hear that sound, it is properly secure, so it won't unravel. And pulling a crochet needle through, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be hitting on your natural hair, so don't be surprised if you get any hair shedding that way, you know, just telling you like the possibility of what can happen when doing crochet. this is how it's looking right now, and if I continue this way, I know I'm not gonna like the end result. So what I'm gonna do right now, to cover any visible braids or parts, I will be adding 2 tracks to keep everything looking seamless. This part is optional, but I'm sewing down the closure because I don't want it to be moving up and down, and I'm also gonna fully secure it by using the hairspray. And my technique for right here is that I kind of don't want the thread to be showing a lot, so that's why I'm sewing it this way. And doing a center part. And if you guys have any question about this installment that you don't understand, you could comment down below and I will definitely respond to you. So from here on out, I'm just gonna be using products. And we are done. Yes, this is a completed look, and I can say overall I love this hair. It's lightweight, soft, and it blends beautiful. The crochet lace flat, look natural, and you're having the full access to your scalp like hello. And with this 360 installment, the kinky hair texture give you that natural blowout look. And you can style it in ponytail, middle part, or side parts with the closure that I use as well. So it's a lot going on right here. With the installment, it moves, it blends, and it shines just like your natural hair. Like, come on. If you are interested in this crochet human hair right here, I'm gonna be linking the information down below. It will be a direct link. I also have a coupon code. Anyways, guys, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.
Tell me say your body so hot, yeah. Tell me say your body so hot. You have it summer body. That body there, you know for everybody.